Now I selected a waste area which is quite shady. There's shade of 2 sapota trees and one huge Pterocarpus marsupium. There's a lemon shrub and there's Alpinia galanga also all around. So in this waste area, shady area, nothing else actually grows. Make a hole in the ground. Show the hole. Make a hole like this. Put it in and then close it up. And then we'll pour 1 bucket of water as a treat, starting capital for the thing, and then select the surrounding leaves and keep it up like this. So one more is planted. Now the next one here. This is the maximum digging what we do here, nothing more than this. The earth also is very soft. A single strike and it's done. It is not stone hard or some crazy situation like that. It's a soft and nice porous earth. So by next year these will become about 2 to 3 kgs of each. And in between we'll hardly attend them, maybe one feeding of vermicompost in between. Now all 3 are there. Let's count all 3. First one. And the second one and the third one. So behind this Alpinia galangas. Suck off.